So we're doing sound deadening. I'm in the middle of a glue up, so hold on a minute.
Okay. Smell the fumes, folks?
Yeah, that's why I was out there looking at what Shannon was doing. Give me some fresh air. Oh, okay.
Oh, hello. Coming up through the top, huh? There we go. Hello.
Hey, YouTubers. You want me to get out of the car?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Automotive yoga at its finest with some glue sniffing thrown in for an extra added bonus fun time headache.
Okay, that sounds really fun.
So it sounds like more stuff is like falling apart in my body, but that's okay.
I got a question for you.
I like questions. What's my question?
What is the rarest Volkswagen?
Oh. Probably the prototype. I forget what it was. It's like the first one off the production line. Oh. Not even off the production line. It was out of Ferdinand Porsche's workshop.
Okay.
And
well, there would only be one.
It was
so
proof
yes.
of concept.
Okay. So definitely that.
Yeah.
But how about the ones that were actually produced?
This one's pretty rare.
Yeah.
52 Zwitter.
Yeah.
4 month only production car.
It's pretty rare.
And then, depending on your location, panel buses, trucks, single cabs, double cabs, those are pretty rare in North America because of chicken tax. We've got early Type 3s because they were never really brought into the States all that much. Mm-hmm. We've got, I don't know, for me it's got to be the prototype is the most rare.
Yeah. But
I think for me the one that I would really want is a 1949.
Why?
Because I have in the family a 59 and a 69, and I'm not going to get a 79s. I just thought it'd be kind of cool to have 3 decades.
That's true.
And just to see the changes in them. But 49s are pretty rare. I'm not sure how many were produced, and it wasn't many. And it's before they imported here in the States.
Wow.
So right after war production, when it was still under British command.
Yeah.
So what else is going on around here?
Well, kind of wanted to ask you that.
Well, Mr. Daren's over here getting some stuff fixed up. The dude makes headliners.
I know. That's amazing. So the other headliner did not pass muster for final inspection, so Daren's like, I can make one.
Yep. So we tore this perfectly car all the way back down, took all the windows out of it, ripped the headliner out of it.
Oh, wow.
And put a new headliner in, just got the windows back in. A couple other little things that didn't really meet up to our deal, so we redid them. A couple of things into the floor mats here to hide some of the area where they were exposed.
Because this one's been here for a long time.
Yeah, client had put it on hold for quite a while.
Right. And then meanwhile, like, we got better and better at what we're doing. So now it's like, oh no.
I've actually repainted this.
A few times, right?
Twice. Well,
painted
it again.
Okay.
Well, I know the windows have been in it twice now, so.
Right. You've seen that happen.
So we got her cleaned up a little bit here, and
it's beautiful.
About to do some touch-up stuff to it.
This is a gorgeous
and send it
car.
on to get its motor. Send it on out. You're up.
That's cool. Very good. Okay. What else? Also, we want to see the boneyard.
Let's
today.
do that now.
Okay.
Oh, and if you guys want to see a headliner being made, watch Sunday's video.
Okay.
Because that's what actually we're doing.
All right. If you subscribe and there's a notify. We do premieres, so YouTube will notify you when it's about to go. Ooh, I'm glad I wore boots. We've had a little bit of rain.
Yeah.
All right, so we had a tour request of the boneyard. So
well, it sort of starts here.
Yep, we got a thing.
Yeah, it's actually owned by the shop. We're just waiting to have time because we don't have time.
Right.
In fact, we might do that car as a spec.
That'd be fun.
So these are all of the good fenders and hoods and doors separated by year for parts, bits, and pieces.
Fantastic.
We have cars that we've already scrapped. This is a 67 that we actually think is a good core for a resto.
Okay.
This is a 72 automatic bus that we have for parts with the roll.
Okay.
That is a 69 bus. It's actually as rough as it looks. It's actually pretty solid, but we've been robbing it for parts. Back one there is a 75 with no roof.
The yellow one?
The green one.
Oh, it's green. Okay.
Behind it is a frame off of something. That one I don't know what year that one is, and the nose is gone.
Oh.
That's a 74 standard.
On the left? The Beetle on the left?
Yes.
Okay.
With the round headlights.
And this bluish one?
That's a 64. We might turn that into a patina monster.
I kind of like that one.
I
I'd
do
drive
too.
it.
That's a 65.
It's a beautiful patina. All right, how about that orange squareback back there?
73.
Okay.
And we have a 71 squareback next to it, and then a 72 fastback next to it.
Oh, nice.
These are all just parts cars.
Yeah. Oh, and then we got a couple of buses. There's a van again back there.
Well, it's a burned out van again.
Yeah, that's...
So we salvaged the transmission out of it since they're compatible with the late buses, and the guy actually wanted to buy it from us, so we pulled it for him. We sold the transmission.
Wow.
And the rest of it's pretty much toast. It'll get cut up for scrap metal. We might pull the handles and doors and striker plates and stuff like that.
Uh-huh.
That's Mr. Cabral's original bus.
Oh, right. Okay.
That's a 73 Super. Behind it is a Ghia body and another Ghia body.
Wow, they're really getting covered with plants.
Yeah, I gotta get in here and weed eat. This is a parts bus that a client brought us that is just sitting here now, and we're done with the client. It is fixable, but
that would take a lot. Is it worse than rusty?
It has structural damage, so we'd have to replace pretty much the entire side and the roof, and the rest of it would be fine.
Rolled or hit a pole or something.
No, a semi hit it.
Oh, gee.
And kind of glancing blow and like literally blew the door off. This one is I want to say this one's a 68 parts car.
Oh, this is my favorite. Patina Ghia.
63. This is a rust bucket.
I love it though.
63. Behind it is a 65.
Okay.
And then we have another 65 here.
With a yellow one?
Yep. And then we've got I think that's a 65 also, the black one.
The black one in the back that's like getting eaten by trees?
Yep.
All right, how about that blue Ghia?
Have no idea what year it is. We had a prospective client actually drag it down thinking he could like use it as a parts car, and he just gave it to us so he didn't want to haul it back.
Right, yeah.
And I'm not sure what's even salvageable, if anything, on that. We just might do it for scrap metal.
Yeah.
74 standard.
Okay.
Just the body. Back there is a 68.
Oh, it's camouflaged.
This one's a 69 parts car.
Okay.
I think at this point the only thing really it's good for is the transmission and probably the glass. I think the rest of it's just too far gone.
Okay.
I have no idea what year that is. That actually belongs to Daren.
Yeah, Daren bought that. Okay. Oh yeah, then we got our paint beetle.
A paint beetle
every year
is a 64, and we just kind of recycle it every year.
It's getting heavier with all the paint. We let the little kids paint it, or big kids paint it at our annual show.
Yeah, so that's a 64, and that's a salvageable car, and it's like we're not really doing any damage to the car by doing this.
No.
So it's like, if
it would all have to get stripped off anyhow.
Yeah,
so.
and if anything, it's actually it's protecting the paint even more with a thing of latex.
It's actually covered at least.
So
there's that. Okay.
And then I've got a parts truck for our tow pig.
For the shop, yeah.
That's Shannon's monstrosity.
Then we got the 47.
Yeah, I got a 47 Chevy over there, which eventually I'll get to.
That'll be nice.
Might have to retire.
I was gonna say, I don't know when you'd ever have time.
These two pickups belong to Shannon. They're actually getting. He's taking the good parts off of that one, putting it on this truck.
Okay. Oh yeah, you guys got to see the wall here. I don't know if you've seen this. We've got a little bit of art going.
Part of the mess, but you know.
Well, and look at the hubcaps though.
Yeah, I got more to put up.
Yeah, you do.
I'm just collecting this point, and I'll go.
That's pretty cool.
Put them up.
You guys like that? Let us know.
We're gonna try to do the whole wall.
Oh, that'd be amazing.
So Betty Bus is in for some warranty stuff.
Cool. All right.
We've got about 3 items to take care of on this one.
Great.
We'll go back home.
Okay. What's up with Cabral's?
In the middle of wiring. Alex is actually off for the week.
Okay, cool.
So
we'll come back to that.
Come back to that. Mr. Gaza, we're still waiting on parts.
Okay. Oh, the Baja got very tall.
Yes. Hey,
wow.
Stone, you want to talk about the Baja since this has been yours? You could be a little enthusiastic.
I'm still doing something.
I know.
So, wow. This is really tall now.
Waiting on suspension parts, axle parts, and stuff for the back.
Okay.
So
And it's getting a big engine?
yeah, it's sitting right there behind us, getting scat 1776
A
on it.
1776. Okay, so that's
little bit
pretty
of power.
big.
Same motor that's in Gaza.
Wow. But a smaller car.
Oh, what, 2 inches or 2.5? 3 inches. So it's a 3-inch suspension
3-inch
range.
lift.
He
Wow.
has we measured last week. He has 9.5 inches from the tire to the fender.
It feels so backwards. We're
the
usually
front.
slamming things down to the ground, you know, and
Wrong with me?
this is so funny. But that'll be cool. So he's definitely going off-roading, right?
Yeah.
Nice. All right.
Says you can drive it everywhere.
That's pretty cool.
Darren's got some other stuff, and then
Yeah.
so does Shannon.
What's anything new on Rusty?
Nope, still waiting on Nate over at
Suspension,
Wagons West.
Okay.
So,
Very good.
if you guys want to get a restoration, give us a call, 256-828-2123, sorry. Or just hit us up at airkoolkustoms.com, hit the contact page. Hit the like, subscribe, notify button thingy that's
Blah, blah,
in the blah, blah, blah.
blah.
You know
Yes.
the routine, guys. Anyway, thanks for going. I'm going to go back to sniffing glue, and you guys can see what's going on in the rest of the shop.
Sounds good. Let's see. Hey Shannon, what are you working on?
Oh, hey, everybody. I was working on Mr. Johnston's motor.
Okay.
Last y'all knew we was having trouble with it.
Yes.
figured
the
out
saga
that-
continues. Did you figure it out?
Figured out rings were bypassing, so
Okay.
it wasn't building compression.
Ah.
So what we have done, Mr. Johnston has elected to go with 88mm pistons and cylinders,
Okay.
dual port heads, and dual carbs now.
Oh wow. All
Yes. So I'm working on getting that all set up so we can try to fire it up on the test stand here and
right. Oh, that's fantastic.
get it ready.
It's in good hands.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
This
I'm
is
doing
great.
my best with it.
Well, you always do.
Yep.
That's great.
Yeah, this morning come in, had half of it torn apart, and the other half was still together. Now we got this. So,
Good progress.
oh yes,
That's awesome.
yes.
Fantastic. All right, we'll say goodbye to the nice people.
Bye everybody.